In Indonesia, spicy food is an inseparable part of culture. Even a bowl of warm rice with chili sauce can be a pleasant experience. The following is a list of popular spicy foods in Indonesia. One of the spiciest delights is bakso mercon, hailing from Garut. As the name suggests, this meatball dish guarantees an explosion of spiciness in your mouth. Bathed in chili broth and abundant sambal, the vibrant red color alone will make your mouth water. Dare to give it a try? When visiting Padang, you might encounter dendeng balado. Originating from West Sumatra, it's a crispy beef dish that undergoes a meticulous process of boiling, sun-drying, and finally, deep frying. Served with balado chili sauce made from red chilies, onions, and salt. The combination of crispy beef and spicy sauce is irresistible. When it comes to spicy dishes, ayam geprek from Yogyakarta is always on the list. Created by Bu Rumina, or affectionately known as Bu Rum, ayam geprek is battered fried chicken smashed with chili until it's finely mixed. Sometimes accompanied by fried tofu and tempeh, this dish is a favorite among the youth. For those in Bandung, seblak is a familiar spicy treat. Available throughout the city, this dish comprises wet crackers, cooked with vegetables and various toppings like noodles, macaroni, eggs, chicken, and more. Customizable in terms of toppings and spiciness, seblak has become a popular snack, even in chip form. Rujak Singgur, a popular spicy dish from Surabaya, uses boiled cow snout, or singgur, mixed with fruits, lontong, tempeh, tofu, and vegetables. The special sauce made from shrimp paste, red chili, sugar, and peanuts gives it a unique flavor. Not just in Surabaya, but this dish is enjoyed in many big cities. Another spicy dish from Yogyakarta is oseng mercon, made from beef, tripe, and tendon sautéed with bird's eye chili and special spices. This dish gained popularity in the early 2000s and remains a favorite in Yogyakarta. Ayam betutu, a spicy dish from Bali, is popular among tourists. The chicken or duck is covered in Balinese spices and slow-cooked until aromatic. The spice mix includes shallots, candle nuts, turmeric, galangal, ginger, and, of course, bird's eye chili. As the sun sets over the diverse archipelago of Indonesia, we bid farewell to this culinary journey through the spicy wonders of its rich gastronomic tapestry. Each dish, a testament to the artistry and passion embedded in Indonesian cuisine. Remember, it's not just about the heat of the spice, but the warmth of the culture that has crafted these delectable offerings. So, venture forth, explore the markets, savor the flavors, and let the vibrant tapestry of Indonesia's spicy delights linger on your palate. May your culinary adventures be as rich and flavorful as the spices that dance through the heart of this enchanting nation. Wishing you a delightful exploration of Indonesia's spicy flavors.